gotta move it forward a little bit.
Yeah.
So that it's a little bit more center. Get it on the lift. Get it up in the air. And like figure out like what do we have?
What do we have to work with?
We're dealing with like
a rusted frame.
Are we really gonna do this?
Yeah.
Or is this something like the frame is just too far gone? We gotta do like
An S10 frame swap or something like that. No, that's the last thing you want to do is start buying parts. God damn, this whole fucking front end got fucking destroyed, dude.
Yeah, I don't get it, man.
Good thing I didn't give you the chrome one. The chrome one's still in the shed.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do all of them.
Aftermarket?
No, I'm gonna get it. Like this one's already been kind of fucked.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm definitely gonna do one that's all the trim.
Chrome?
I'm gonna get it.
Chrome?
Copper plate.
Ah, okay. Yeah, what color is this? Brown. This is rust.
Fucking rust, you know?
What color is this?
That's another thing. I gotta find somebody who can help us put some color in the front of this thing.
Something, man. Well, the good thing is it's a green already. Kind of like Green Bay Packer green. George will love that.
Grass looks good, or copper looks good and big.
Oh, yeah. I agree, yes. It does complement it. That's gonna be nice. The floor is very solid, which is what you're like very lucky on that.
And don't forget the guy who built, the guy who already built one in the neighborhood. He said we can, when you're ready, you can use. He's got like these, essentially they're frame stands that hold onto the lug bender.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah.
And what does that do? The frame stance, it just puts it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this bed. See how they did it. There's a lot of stuff here. But let me know, man. I will dedicate some time so we can get this up, take some video. Looks like you had some target practice already here. 22. That's 22.
I don't know who did that. That was not me.
That was 22. I don't know who did that. That was not me. God damn. Hey, did I tell you